Hi, today I'm making triple chocolate cupcakes. So today we need to bring some treats into the office, and so I wanted to bring in a few cupcakes. So I begin with a triple chocolate fudge cake mix. It has pudding in the mix. You can add additional pudding. I didn't have any, so I worked with the ingredients I have. So I'm using sour cream and additional oil, vanilla, as well as espresso powder. These extra ingredients often can make the cake taste a little more moist, as well as give it a little richer flavor. We're going to add 4 eggs instead of 3, which is what the box mix calls for. So adding the additional egg also helps. I've mixed the eggs with a half teaspoon of vanilla. I'm also adding my cake mix after I've mixed the eggs and vanilla. Next, I'm adding the cup of oil. So I've doubled the oil that's required in the recipe. And I've actually added a half a cup of warm water to this cake mix. Now, I'm next adding a cup of sour cream. I had started mixing, and then I added the sour cream. I'm adding a half a teaspoon of espresso powder. You can also add chocolate chips to this recipe. I didn't for this one, but I mixed all the ingredients and got my cupcake liners for my muffin tin and used a ice cream scooper to put even amounts of batter into the cupcake liners. And we're going to bake these at 375 degrees for about 15 or 16 minutes. I'm just using the milk chocolate store-bought icing. And I'm going to take a spoon and frost these, basically by adding just a dollop of icing and moving the icing around in circles. You have your frosting. I'm adding a little holiday decoration candies to the top, and they're ready to go.